So I want to show you this wake up light. So here it is. Here's the clock. On the bottom, you change the clock. 30 minutes or an hour. All right, up here, if you just tap it, that's the first setting. Tap it again, it gets brighter, and tap it again, that's the brightest. If you wanted to change colors, you just hold it and it changes colors. You tap it, it changes to the next color. Tap it again. So that's 5 different colors. Well, actually a few more. So there you go. Let's turn off the lights and see how it looks.